gamers? It's me, Brian Game TV. I'm so sorry I haven't uploaded for a while, but well, today's the day I re-upload Roblox videos. So basically today we're going to be playing some Flood Escape. Yes, it's been a while since I played this game, but so far I got 40 wins. So yeah, I'm just going to quickly go get some stuff. I think I remember I had a dash, a flood shard, and a weak. Yeah, I think that's everything, yeah. Let's join this elevator and don't mind my avatar right now, guys. I'm basically being promoted in the Doodle Army to a bodyguard for Jake. Yes, it's kind of fun being a bodyguard because I get to like punch people a lot. I'm only joking, I don't punch people, I just get really serious sometimes. But right now I'm not serious because I'm making a video. And yes, round is about to begin. It's also fun, guys. It's been so long I uploaded. Yep. Nope, not today. It's so fun doing that, but I don't know why that's actually a thing here. Oh wait, oh, you're supposed to go the other way. No, it's flooding. No, I can't die on the first day back uploading. Come on, I can't do this to myself. No. Oh my god, that was so close. That is so close. You can tell by my face there, I'm mad. Oh my god. Okay. Round one done. Oh, this is simple. It's not that bad. Ouch! No, this stupid Polly. I hate you, Polly. No. Okay. I was about to fall there. Ouch! I don't think it's a good idea to use that. Thank you for opening. No, I'm not doing anything. Okay. Next round, please. Oh my god, 4 people have already died. I feel bad for them. Okay, let's go. Yep, we're gonna need that there. We're gonna need you there, and we're also gonna need that there. Let's go! Woo! Whoa, that's so close. Oh my god, I usually play on my laptop, but I can't really record on there because I don't know how to. But I am hoping to upload on there too. But right now we're just gonna be uploading videos on my iPad, and I do not want to die. No. Okay. Oh, code room. Yes, we're all good. Oh, what's good? Just spam it. Oh, okay. Yes, we escaped one round. You know, today we're gonna do 3 rounds. Yeah, guys. No, 4 rounds. Let's go 4 rounds. Let's go with let's just go with another easy one. I can't help it. Okay. Yo, are you 2 twins in there? Are those twins? Round beginning. Woo! Feel good about doing this. Oh my god, this one I haven't done before. The foxtrot. Okay. Haven't heard of this one before, but I'll do it. Wait, I can just cheat. I got this gravity. Oh, no! Okay, I'm screwed up. I'm screwed. I am so screwed. No. Okay. Yo! Oh my god, you guys have to always do this. I can't always press the buttons. I press the 1 button and I have to press 2 buttons. Oh, this is risky. Oh, I can feel it. There we go. Whew, my face. Okay, this one again. Shouldn't be too hard because I've done it already. But these poles actually just kind of mess it up for me. Whoa. Boom. So dramatic in here right now. What? Okay, both of you get press it. Thank you. One weird thing about my avatar is that, that weird thing that happens when I die. Like I had to buy 2 pieces of clothing for this as well. Oh, you know what? Fine then. You guys ain't. No. I take it back. I don't want to die. How do we get up there? One of us has to go down here. I never realized we had to do this before. I never realized that was down here. Yes. Let's go. Oh, that was so close. I almost fell off. Okay, then. Oh, yes. Thank you very much. We'll be taking that route out of here. Okay, it's only me and... Okay, huh. It's getting risky. It's getting real dramatic right now. I'm actually feeling the pressure. I'm actually feeling the pressure right now. I'm kind of scared. It's been a while since I've played this game, but so far I haven't died. Cauldron, thank you! I thought it was going to be another round. You go on that side, yes. I go just spam it. Spam it. Spam. Yes. Goodbye! Woo! Yes! Escape the facility. Not we just use that. Woo! Yes. And into I'll do hard. Hello, Roblox boy. Whoa. Is this just me or my... Oh, it's just the camera. Okay, we're going down to hard. Oh, this is like impossible. Oh my god. How do people in this round survive? Like, it's so hard. They got these pixels everywhere. Yes, do it. Oh, that's locked. You just have to go through there. Yeah! I'm really mad. Yo, that guy screwed it up for me. He screwed it up for me. I don't like it. I'll go medium then. Oh, looks like no one's in this room. I'm just gonna go in then. I'm waiting. You two go back in there and you might die. No, wait for me! Yes. 3 people on me. Wow. All like 3 people. Sign up for... She actually tried to escape. This doesn't look too hard. I'm good with ramps. Oh, the rope. Not today, please. Oh, no. I actually made it. Oh, no. Can I make it? I don't know. I'm not sure if I can make it. Okay, they should be able to make it, yeah. This is easy. Easy. Lemon squeezy. Thank you! I might as well leave them to them. Come on, guys. You can do it. No! Okay, it's just you and me now. Come on, man. You can do it. Yes! Come on! You don't want to die in the cold water. Whoa. Yep. Is this one useless? Oh. Ooh. Oh my god. Wait, where's the ball? How are you supposed to get up there? Bro, I'm about to die. Oh. No! Okay. Hard is actually impossible, literally for me. Impossible. Okay, this is gonna be the last round. I hope it's gonna be the last round. Yo, I'm Mr. Angry because I just lost 2 rounds. Yeah, I'm Mr. Angry. That's why I'm so angry. Actually, this stuff is actually really, really small. There's no one here today. Wow, except for us. Yes, finally, someone else to join us. Yes, come on, you two. Come on, yes, 5 people on the mission. Thank you. To be honest, most people in Flood Escape actually go with easy because they don't like medium or hard. Like, it's impossible with hard. Like, hard is actually really impossible for me. So. Bro, I didn't have to do the ladder. I could just bounce up. Did you see her? She actually fell off. Yeet that! Never mind! Ooh. Okay. Careful with this one. I do not want to die. I don't want to die. I just want to live a good life. Okay, I just want to live a good life in Roblox. Yes, we made it. Okay, all 5 of us. Good. This should be easy. If anyone dies, I'm gonna be really mad because, bro, this is an easy peasy game. I mean round, or whatever you call it. There's no button. Shall we make it? I'm just supposed to make it. So everyone's lagging. Thank you for pressing the button. I'll go in first because I'm a VIP. The tower, the power tower. I thought it was going to be called the tower. Tower power. You go press that the other one downstairs, and then we'll all wait for you upstairs. So everyone presses those buttons. I'm going first because I'm the VIP. I just don't want it. Yes. You can go press the button because I'm just too lazy to do it. Come on, yes! Yes! Thank you! I'll be taking this and into the cobra thing. Ah! Okay, 4 people, 68.9. I need 2,000 pounds. Yo! Can't you figure out the code? Bro. Yay. We won. Well, guys, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for notifications when my next new video is out. Other than that, guys, goodbye!